All right. Well, that was pretty good. The ET8 ran for 20 minutes, half an hour on that tank of fuel. This additional water hopper has enough water to actually cool without boiling, so that's good. It still runs hot enough. I soldered up my exhaust here and built a new exhaust up for it. And that soft solder is not holding up to the heat. So I'm going to look. I think I was using some old plumbing solder, which has got a lot of lead in it. I will look for some new lead-free soft solder because the silver is a higher temperature and might last and might be just high enough temperature to survive. And then the ET6 here, it ran okay with this carburetor off the ET8, but I can't get it to adjust properly, so I'm going to probably order another plain carburetor and abandon these ET8 2-needle carburetors because they're just not very good. They're hard to adjust, and I think I've said before, because the ET8 doesn't have a governor on it, it's pretty foolish to have included a carburetor that, according to everybody I've talked to, is supposed to be adjusted at high speed first and then the low speed needle adjusted. So you can't run it at idle to adjust it. And without a throttle on the ET8, running it at full speed to adjust it is overspeeding the engine and causes damage. But I'm very happy with this new hopper setup, and having the lid from the can was good because then it doesn't spill water everywhere.